Wow, it's coming down right now. I didn't know it was gonna snow this much. Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to Yellowstone. Station closed. So I guess I don't have to pay this late in the season. That's pretty cool. Unfortunately though, no campgrounds are open in the park, so I'm gonna have to go probably camp out where I was camped in the last video. That's what I'm thinking, but we'll see. Wow, it's dumping right now, guys. Holy cannoli. I'm gonna go in 4-wheel drive. It is dump city right now. It's coming down. Can't even see. I don't know if I'm gonna have any good views today. I'm sure it'll let up a little bit, hopefully. But as of now, I mean, you could barely see off the road. Guess we'll see. I'm not gonna do any fishing in this video, or at least today I'm not gonna do any fishing, but I did have plans that I wanted to do some fishing while here. I didn't know how snowy it was gonna be. So I'm not entirely sure if I'm still gonna fish or not. It's kind of late for fishing and I just want to go around and see some of the different sites today. All right, I'm gonna hopefully get to some cool spots soon. You guys just see that bear? I was stopped here trying to film the river. I was literally just trying to film the river and I noticed there was a bear swimming across the stream and I didn't have the right lens on, so I ran back to my truck and I got the other lens and I swapped lenses real quick, hoping that the bear would still be there. Anyways, I don't know if that was a grizzly. I would assume it was. It looked like a quite a big bear. I'll have to review the footage to confirm whether or not it was a grizzly. But I don't know where he went exactly, so I'm gonna just keep my distance here and get back in the truck. Pretty cool. Not gonna lie, guys, I feel like I'm definitely too much of a beginner fly fisherman to find enjoyment fishing out there in the snow. I think that, I don't know, it just seems like it would not be fun. But anyways, as I stood there recording that, I just realized that I forgot my fly fishing boots at my apartment. as I was rushing to get everything packed up on the way out. So that means I can't wade into the river, at least not right now. The question is, do I buy a second pair of boots? I don't know. Pretty cool. And it kind of smells like eggs, of course. Whew. Today I'm just gonna be doing kind of the touristy things. I don't really feel like doing any major hikes mainly because I got such a late start on the day. But I also just don't really, when preparing for this trip, I thought I'm gonna be taking an autumn trip here. The last of good weather. I wasn't exactly anticipating so much snow, which in hindsight I should have been, knowing where I was going. But that being said, I don't really have any snow gear, so I don't want to put myself out there in a situation where I'm not safe or I'm just miserable, Hello, beautiful. Fortunately, Yellowstone has no shortage of touristy pull up, check out the view spots. So today, that's what I'm going to be doing. Oh, some big crows, dang. All right, I'm at my next destination. I guess these aren't really destinations, they're just little spots along the drive. This is called Gibbon Falls, and it's empty. There's no one here. That's the cool thing about coming this time of year. I suppose it's a lot less crowded than it would be in the summer. And I think it looks really pretty in the snow. What do you guys think? When I set off on this trip, I was originally thinking I'd be doing a lot of fishing, a lot of hiking, but my original planned route was to go from here up into Montana, up through Big Sky, Bozeman, check out those areas of Montana. But now I'm starting to reconsider that route because if it's just gonna be super snowy like this the whole time, I'm not really gonna be able to do much other than just take in the views, which isn't a horrible thing, but like I said, I would like to do some fishing and hiking and stuff before winter hits. We have many months of snow ahead. Many months. Don't want to end up like that kid. These are the bee's knees right here. Apparently this guy thinks so too, because look at him. I swear he sees me in here eating, and he's just staring at me. He's huge. Look at the size of that crow. I don't know if that's a normal size crow to you guys, but to me that looks like a gigantor crow. Anyways, the sun goes down in about a little less than 2 hours from now, and the camp spot that I have in mind is about an hour and a half away. So I'm debating if I should go to one more spot while I'm here, or if I should just go make camp for the night and then I guess come back to the park tomorrow to finish off the sightseeing. Much better. It's cold, y'all. It's really cold. I got to the spot just in the nick of time. I barely had any light left, but I had a little bit to get everything all transferred into the camper and set up and squared away before dark settles in. And I'm excited for dinner. It's going to be really good. And all I got to say is I'm glad I'm inside the nice, safe camper, because we're in grizzly country, and what I'm cooking tonight could very well summon a grizzly. Knock on wood, because even though we're in the camper, I don't want a bear to try to get in here. That wouldn't be cool. Oh, there we go. Yes. Yes. I just need to take the edge off in here. So I'm trying to crack this window, but it seems to have frozen shut. Come on. What the heck? It's not even, it wasn't that cold. I mean, I guess freezing temperature is freezing temperature. Are you kidding me, dude? What the hell? Oh, freaking heck. Oh. Sheesh Louise. I actually am enjoying having the table at this orientation as opposed to like long way against the long side of the couch. It just feels a lot more roomy. I feel a little bit cramped back there when I have the table set up like that. Especially for working on my laptop, this might be the move. All right, folks, what I'm going to be having for dinner tonight is good old steak. First things first, let's get it seasoned up. So I got butter, some smashed garlic cloves, some rosemary. I'm definitely gonna open this window nice and wide because it's gonna get smoky in here. I don't think the pan was quite hot enough. Didn't exactly sizzle as much as I would like it to. Yeah, that side didn't really sear like I would have hoped, but that's all right. Man, even the butter is like not really. Why is this pan not getting hot? That's the strangest thing. For some reason, the pan, it never got searing hot. At first, I thought like maybe I had just thrown the steak on a little prematurely, but the whole time it was cooking, it never started to get that hot. That's really unfortunate, but at least the plus side is it didn't really get too smoky in here, and the steak looks like it turned out pretty good anyways. That's pretty good. It's not the highest quality steak, I could tell. I thought that by going to a local market around here, I might be able to find some kind of like locally raised beef, but I don't think they had any. This wasn't even, it probably isn't the best quality beef. But it's not bad, it's pretty good. It's pretty good, all things considered. It's pretty nippy out right now, 26, and it looks like come 5 a.m., 6 a.m., it's going to be about 18 degrees. Good thing I have a 0-degree sleeping bag. Yo, that was a little bit alarming. I mean, literally the carbon monoxide alarm went off, and that's never happened before. I've literally had a carbon monoxide alarm in like all of my setups, and it's never gone off. And I was like scrambling around, opening up all the windows. I opened up the door, and it still kept going off intermittently. And then I think enough fresh air got in once I opened the door and I started kind of fanning the air out, and then it stopped going off. I ran outside. I turned off the propane. I turned off the propane tank. I don't know if it's the propane tank or some appliance in here is leaking. I don't know, but that's pretty scary, honestly. I don't know why. I was sitting there just writing, and then all of a sudden this alarm is going off, and it's never happened, so I'm like, what the hell do I do? But wow, I don't know. That might have just saved my life. I mean, if the alarm was going off, I could have been just chilling here and not ever known that there was carbon monoxide in here. Strange. Very, very strange. I've been using the stove. I've been using the stove for the last week straight with no issue. And I don't think it's the buddy. The buddy hasn't even been on. I turned it off a little while ago. So, I don't know. But that makes me a little bit worried to use the propane system in here. So the carbon monoxide alarm went off again. And this time, the buddy heater was running when it went off. So I'm thinking that it must be the buddy heater, because like I said, I had already shut off the main propane to the camper, so it couldn't have been that. But I've literally never had an issue running the buddy heater in the past. But I guess there's a first time for everything. Hopefully it's not just the alarm being all finicky. I guess only time will tell. For now, I just gotta stay bundled up since I can't use the buddy heater. I don't use it when sleeping anyways. But I'm gonna try to use it in the morning when I wake up still. The joys of road life. That's it for me tonight. Nighty night. It's cold out there. Woo! I don't know what my plan is now, but I'm gonna go try to find a coffee shop or somewhere warm where I could sit there and reset, make a plan, and warm back up, most importantly. That'll do it for this one, though. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. You guys go out there and go on some adventures of your own. Live life. Beat the status quo. Y'all know the drill. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Over and out.